Leopold?
Leopold's over there. He's fine.
No, it's okay.
Give him his little porcupine toy. He's tired, yeah. You guys tired him out.
Okay, dude, you lost to a stick. Poor guy. You don't like that stick, dude.
Give me a puppy. Give me a puppy. I want him to come close to me, guys, so I can get a good shot of him. Come here, puppy. Puppy, puppy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Bring your stick. Come on. Uh-oh. Leopold. Not sure what to think. You're a good cat. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Whoa, come here, come here. I got the Whoa. Okay, cat. You like that chicken noise?
No. Come here. Look.
My turn.
In just a minute.
Whoa, you like it? Jamesy, give it to me.
Careful, James.
What? He like just like this.
Yeah, just let him take a break now.